Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. In this video, we will be reviewing the process of doing a hot copy rotate about a hole that does not lie in a plane square to X, Y, or Z. You can see that I have a hole that is not square to any major plane, and I have a trim check measurement on it. I want to perform a hot copy rotate of that trim check around the perimeter of that hole. The first thing we need to do is create a circle measurement in that hole. Why? Well, it's an easy way to pick the center of that hole for the point of rotation that we will need. We will delete that circle measurement when we're finished. Now, from the assist ribbon, we will do a view 3-point plane so that we'll be in a view looking straight down on the hole. We make 3 picks in an L shape starting at the lower right. We are now in a view looking straight down the hole. We make the trim check hot, and from the Hot Manipulation tab we select Rotate Copy Hot Program Entities. The first thing Checkmate wants is the point of rotation. We pick the circle measurement from the programming browser, and this makes the pick automatically at the circle center. Next, we pick the axis of rotation. That will be the current view. Now, for the angle that we wish to rotate the trim check at. I will pick an arbitrary angle, let's say 45 degrees. How many copies? Well, we already have 1, so every 45 degrees would mean that we would want 7 more copies. We no longer need that circle measurement we created earlier, so let's delete it. We now have the finished trim checks around that hole. Thanks for watching and have a great day.